The next less known features of Sendsteps are upvoting and moderation. Upvoting and moderation you use for audiences for direct interaction to give them the opportunity to ask questions to the presenter. And with upvoting, you basically ask people what they think is the most important. If they see a message from someone in the audience, they can like the message because they have the same question or they think it's a good question. And in this way, it's pretty easy for the presenter to know what's most important for the audience and where he should talk about to make sure that you connect to most of the audience. With moderation, you decide yourself as a presenter where to talk about. So basically you say, this is important for my session. That is what I choose from the questions from the audience. Let me show you how to do this. So with upvoting, you present a question like here, where do you need Sendsteps for? And people can send in answers. You see them up on the screen one by one in a kind of carousel that everything passes by and the audience can see what people send in. Then they can go to their device. The device shows all answers and all answers with a heart in front. If you click the heart, then you see that the number is changing, so it is getting more and more important. The presenter can pick the topic with most likes, and in this way he connects to the biggest part of the audience. It's pretty simple to see it as a presenter, and there's nothing you have to do. With moderation, you decide as a presenter what is important for your session. You ask the people, the audience, to send in questions and you pick what is important to react on. You go to web.sendsteps.com and go to the message filter. You can select a few messages in message filter, send them to screen, and then if you look to the PowerPoint, you will see that these messages are published. So this will give you a quite easy way of moderating your session. Good luck using Sendsteps.